Hey guys, welcome to Fur Tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of motion graphic animation with using Cinema 4D R21. So firstly guys, I show you my old project. See guys, that's my old project. I create animation like this. Yes, that's really beautiful. Guys, you can watch this video, link in description. And now I create second style of animation. Yes, so close this project, close, and now guys I'm going to take a cube and I change cube size. Guys, size I take 1 to 5 and y-axis I take 50 and last one 1 to 5. Yes. Okay, so guys now I go to display, select God shading lines. Guys, now I create smoothness, so select this cube and fillet check, and fillet radius I take like 10 and 10. Yes, and guys this time I again take cube, and guys now I create sphere, so and change size guys 1 to 5, 1 to 5 and 1 to 5, and fillet check, and fillet radius I take 62.5. yeah, and increase subdivision I take like 18. Yes, see guys, that's my second shape. Okay, so guys now I take cloner, actually select this cube and go to down. Yeah, see guys, that's my position. Okay, so guys now I take cloner, select both cubes and make child with cloner. Yeah, guys, select cloner and count I take 1, and clones use band. Guys, this is most important, and all position take 0. Yeah, guys, select this cloner, and now guys I apply plane effector. So select this cloner and I go to MoGraph and use and take plane effector. Yes, see guys, right? Okay, so select this plane and I go to parameter, and plane size guys I increase like 500. Yes, and guys modify clone I take full. Guys, I create this type of animation. Yes. Okay, so guys now I go to fall off and line of field check. Yes, and guys direction I change like y plus. Yeah, and guys you can change color, actually hide color, so uncheck here, and length increase I take like 300 is good. Select this line of field and go to up. Yeah, that's really beautiful, right? Okay, see guys, that's my first shape, and now I create more shape. So guys, select this cloner and copy, press Ctrl C and V, and you can go to edit, copy and paste. Yeah, so go to down. Guys, cloner 1 unfold, select this only, that's my cube 1, and change size. Guys, size I take like 100, and y-axis I take 200, and last one 100, and change fillet radius. Fillet radius I take 50 and subdivision 18. Yes, and guys go to plane and see guys, that's my second shape. So select this plane, actually line of field. Yes, yeah, beautiful, right? Okay, so guys now I create more shape. So select this cloner 1 and copy, go to down and unfold, select this cube 1, and guys this time I create a sphere. So all position, actually size I take 300. Yes, and guys I increase radius, take like 150, and increase subdivision 25. Yes, and guys select this line of field. Yeah, that's really good, right? See guys, that's my third shape, and now I create one more last shape. So select this cloner 2 and copy, go to down, and guys change size. Guys, this time I take like 200, 400 and 200, and guys radius I take 100 centimeter and subdivision 25. Yes, and select this liner fill, go to up and down. Yes, see guys, that's my shape. Okay, so guys, my shape is complete, and now I take again cloner. That's my main cloner. You can rename like main cloner. Yes, and go to down. Guys, select all cloners. That's my shape cloner, and make child with main cloner. Yes, guys, select this cloner, and mode I take grid array, and guys decrease count I take 2, and mid count I take like 13, and third one I take 2. Yes, see guys, right? Okay, so guys, change mode, use per step. That's my automatically set per step, and size I take like 1 to 5 and 50 and 1 to 5. Yes, and select this liner field, and guys create animation like this. So hide lines. Yeah, that's much better, right? See guys, that's my animation. Okay, so guys, now go to up, and guys select this liner field. I create animation, so I increase frame like 300 is good. I take 300 frames and select this liner field, and guys I go to front view panel, go to up, liner field. Guys, y-axis I take like 800 and press this animation key on 0 frame. Yeah, and guys now I go to 200 frames, 200, and liner field, go to down. I take like minus 700 and press this animation key. So go to back and play. Yes. Okay, so guys, I change graph editor setting. So select this liner field and go to window, go to timeline F curve. Yes, that's my graph editor. So guys, select all and press this liner field. Actually liner, yeah, create graph editor like this. So go to back and play. Yes, better. Right? See guys, that's really good. Okay, so guys, now I change rotation. I show you that's not necessary. So what happened? Yeah, much better. Right? See guys, you can change also rotation. Right? Okay. So go to back and play. Yes, very nice. Okay, so guys, now I create more effect. So guys, now I go to mode and project, and I go to dynamic. Guys, gravity change. I take like minus 500 gravity. Yeah, better. Okay, so guys, last one, all is good. Now I apply rigid body tag. So unfold all, select this cloner 1, actually Q1, and right click, go to simulation tag and use rigid body. Yeah, and I go to dynamic. Guys, transaction time I take 50. Yes, and collision, all is good. See guys, that's my collision setting, right? See guys, bounce I take 5 and friction 90, it's automatically. And I go to force and liner I take 5 and angular I take 5. Yes. Okay, so guys, again, that's my cube, and right click, simulation tag and rigid body. Yeah, and guys, only change liner dim I take 100 and angular dip 100 and play. Yes, see guys, right? Okay, so guys, now apply all rigid body tag on cube. So select this cube 1 and holding control key and drag and drop on cube 1. Yes. Yes. And guys, that's my cube. Select this rigid body tag and copy only cube. Yeah, better. See guys, right? It's so easy. And go to back and play. Yeah, that's really beautiful. Right? Okay, so guys, now I apply random effector tool. Yes, that's really good. Okay, so guys, now I apply random effector tool. So select this main cloner, this one, main cloner, and move graph and use random effector. Yes, and position, all position guys, I take 500, 5 and 500. And yes, and guys, same fall off and line of field check. And guys, direction I take plus y. Yes, and length I take same 300. Yeah, and guys, go to 0 frame and see guys, that's my line of field. Go to up like this, right? Okay, so guys, see, that's my random line of field. Connect with plane. See guys, that's my setting, right? Okay, so guys, go to back and play. Yeah, that's much better. Guys, I change parameter, like guys, I take like 250 half. Yes, and little bit rotate like 10. I take like 10, 20 and again 10 and go to back and play. Yes, much better. Guys, you can increase more position. I take like 300, 300. Yes, and play. Yeah, that's really beautiful guys. It's really simple animation. Right? Okay, so guys, now I apply material. So I go to create and load material. See guys, that's my material file. Guys, you can download from my website, it's free. So apply all cube and this one only cube, my silver material. Yes, and random apply like this one and apply random material. Guys, use gold and that's my, yes, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my material, right? Okay, so guys, now I show you my final project. So close, that's my final project. Yes, and go to back and play, right? It's really good. So render preview. And see guys, that's really beautiful render. So guys, if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download all project file and materials from my website, is free.